Good morning, students. I myself Divakar Pandey from Kuntinagar Modern English School, Nevada, and welcome to you in your e-learning class. Today, I am going to provide you my first video lecture, and the subject is SST. In this subject, today I am going to provide you my video lecture of lesson 10 in SST, and the topic is the eastern cities of India. In this chapter, we have to study about those cities that are situated in the eastern part of our country. The eastern part of our country comprising different types of cities, and it is a beautiful part of our country. So now let us come to the chapter and read this chapter. Okay, come to the chapter. In this chapter we have to study about the eastern cities, and these eastern cities are Kolkata, Bhubaneswar, Ranchi, Raipur, Guwahati, Kohima. When we study the eastern part of our country, the eastern part of our India is a beautiful region comprising of the states of Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Odisha, West Bengal, Sikkim, Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura. Let us learn about some cities of eastern India. First of all, we come to know about Kolkata and its location, about its culture, and about its tourist places, and about its dishes. So first of all, we come to know about Kolkata. Kolkata is the capital of West Bengal. Where is the capital of West Bengal? Kolkata. Kolkata is the capital of West Bengal. It was earlier is called Calcutta. It means Calcutta was the old name of Kolkata. It has been called the cultural capital of India. So which city has been called the cultural capital of India? Kolkata. Now we come to know about its location. It is situated on the bank of river Hooghly. Where is Kolkata located? Yes, Kolkata is located or situated on the bank of river Hooghly. This river connects Kolkata to Bay of Bengal. The Havra Bridge. Have you ever listened to the name of this bridge? Yes, the Havra Bridge, that was also called the Ravindra Setu in the past time. It is the hanging bridge on river Hooghly. And another bridge on this river Hooghly is the Vidyasagar Setu. Vidyasagar Setu is a new bridge that has been built on the river across the river Hooghly. People of Bengal mainly speak Bengali, but Hindi and English are also spoken by the people. Kolkata has a mild climate. It is neither hot nor cold. It means due to be mild climate, it is neither hot nor cold. It receives heavy rainfall from July to September. It means from the month of July to September, it receives heavy rainfall. Durga Puja and Kali Puja are the famous festival of Kolkata. It means Durga Puja and Kali Puja are the main festival of Kolkata. Durga Puja is celebrated here for 5 days. Beautifully decorated pandals are created all over the city. Now we come to know about industry. Yes, jute, silk, paper, and chemical are a few important industries of the city Kolkata. Kolkata Suburban Railway and Kolkata Metro, like this, we can say metro train and the buses constitute the public transport. It has an underground metro. It is mostly, it means it is mainly India. It means we can say it is mainly Indian city with a trans tram network. Victoria Memorial, Fort William, Birla Temple, it means Birla Planetarium, Alipur Zoo, Nico Park, Ravindra Sarovar, Belur Mutt, and Science City are some popular tourist places in Kolkata. The National Library in Kolkata is the biggest library in India. Now, after knowing about tourist places, we come to know about this. What are the famous food of Kolkata? Rice and fish curry. When we go to Kolkata, we can take rice and fish curry because rice and fish curry is the most popular dish in Kolkata. And do you know what is the famous sweet recipe of Kolkata? Yes, Rasgulla. Rasgulla is a popular sweet of Kolkata. It means Kolkata. Now, in other chapter, we will study about other eastern state of India, and it is Bhubaneswar. Thank you. Have a nice day.